Magic number 9. I'm David Blaine.
Pick a card. Any card in the deck. Okay. Memorize.
Card. Card.
Put it back in the deck. Gusto mo shuffle yung card? Pwede mo shuffle yung card.
Ano shuffle?
Shuffle. Item card.
Wala ka nakaside ko ka, ano?
No, marunong shuffle.
Maybe at
Lang yan.
Watch the watch. Here's the move, here's the move. Keep magayin mo dito. Tap you, tap you. Tap you, tap you. Okay, here's the move. I do this. One card will vanish from the deck. Watch. My hand's empty. Watch.
Huh?
One card. One card. Gusto nyo malaman paano nangyari?
Ah.
Actually, simple lang. Insert mo yung card sa loob. Okay. Cut mo yung card. Kung pwede, papashuffle ko siya sa'yo. Tapos, huwag mo lang kakalimutan yung move. Keep it. Tap you, tap you, tap you. Tabihan mo si Dre, tabihan mo si Dre. Okay? Ganun yan. Shake mo yung card. Okay? Once na sinake mo yung card, one card papasok sa bulsa. One card.
Whoa, no way, no way!
Sabi, hindi. Shake natin na, shake ulit. Okay? Once na sinake ko, one card ulit. Papasok sa bulsa. Hindi. Shake natin ulit. Okay? Naiwan yung isa. What's my pocket? What's my pocket? Nandun yung bundik.
Oh, shit!